got Big Dad up in here. Woo! Big Dad, get her going. Got the police escort. Come on back. Come on. Come on. Got the police escort up in here today. What are we hauling today, boys? Looks like a tiny little piece of something. Oh yes. Keep her going. Got a long line of traffic today for Big Dad. Come on. I am who I am. If you don't like it, then leave. Simple as that. So, what we have today, what we have here, it's a nice 6.0 PowerStroke 2007, and we pat the hood. A little warm under there. Alright, what we have here is, you see that little plug? With that little plug there, we're gonna put a smoke switch on those things. That plug is a VGT solenoid. It opens and closes the vanes on the turbo so you can spool faster. When it's plugged in, it opens and closes it. When you unplugged it, the vanes are open, so it takes a little bit longer to build boost, so you can roll some coal like a boy. So I'll do a little startup with it plugged in. There's sound difference is way different, so I'll do a little sound test, start it up, rev it up a little bit with it plugged in and then unplugged. So let's go do that real quick. Alright, so now we're going to unplug this boy, and now we're going to do the same thing. That's pretty much what it does without any boost. That's what you do when you unplug it. There's a fire, dude. There's a fire. What's flat? We got the fire. Woo! Good thing we put that out real quick. That was close. That was close. Everything would have been on fire out here. Holy cow, that's all black. Look at them plants. Woo! A lot of coal. I was driving on a back road and looked over in this field and there was a fire extinguisher, so I was like, let's pick that bad boy right up. So, it's kind of broken because it got ran over with the disc, but touch it. It's not good if you breathe it in, I don't think.
My lungs have been disintegrated.
We'll keep this around in case we need it. I don't think we will, but the point of this smoke switch is so you can roll some coal just for fun and whatnot, and piss off the EPA and whatnot. If you got some idiot behind you up your ass or something, just flip the switch, turns off that solenoid, and you can dump coal all over them. Get them off your ass. Alright, so what we've done here, we separated these two wires on this plug. What we're going to do is, idiot, we can either cut this one or cut this one. I think we'll cut this one and put a connector on this side, run a wire into the cab, and then put a connector on this side and have the wire coming out of the cab from the switch to this side. So let's do that real quick. Alright, so we got this old switch all wired up and the switch is good. So look what we have down here. We went the professional route, stuck her up here on the brake release. Come down here, guys. And we got some
Might want to put some extra tape on that there, Hoss.
that's right. We got some wire connectors on there. Oh yeah. So we just I haven't drilled the hole yet, so we just switch her on and off like that. Alright. That should do. Yeah, that'll do. I gotta get a hole up here, put this boy in, and it'll be golden. But we haven't gotten that far because I need more wire. So, we're out here in the nice scenic area. Look at this nice river. Very beautiful today. What a beautiful day. Freaking skeeters. Okay, we gotta spray for these skeeters. This is why we got a smoke switch. Stay back here and we're gonna spray for these boys, all right? See exactly where we rolled some coal. These spider webs, oh yeah, covered in smoke. Smoke them out. Come on, we're gonna leave. Too many skeeters out here. Woo. The miles per gallon was at about 15, and now it's at 14. Boots. She rolls a little coal, no more skeeters around here. No. One right there. Not anymore. The smoke switch off, so the turbo vanes are working. So look ahead. Louder or not, that's pretty loud. Now everybody in that woods is heating out, all the deer, all the coons, all the squirrels, birds, everything, bugs, mosquitoes, everything just heated out. Everything is gone. They're like, oh, eardrums blown out. Everybody blown out of the woods. They're gone. There go. There
Now
go.
this is with the smoke switch on.
Look how much coal we're gonna roll. It takes forever to spool this gal up, but if you want a smoke show, get a smoke switch. See, you can still see her back there. Little foggy out, I'd say. Ooh, we miss it. Oh!
Yeah.
I hit it. Your fault.
Not
How
my,
close were we?
Not my truck. I don't care.
It will be.
It will be. What is that supposed to mean?
It will be your problem.
Nope.
Off-road 6.0 with the dip.
See that horse and buggies right there?
Yeah, they were gonna come pick me up and take me home.
No, they're probably coming because we smoked their house out over there. We'll tore up the road a little bit. Better fix that before that old man comes and yells at us again. Remember that old man?
Oh yeah, I remember that old man. I pay taxes for these roads.
Alright, so there is two things you should have learned from this video. If you don't have a smoke switch, what are you doing? Get one immediately, you idiot. The other thing is, if you have a smoke switch, good man. Good man, you're a good man. If you enjoyed, then come back for the next one, because it's going to be Daytona Crunch on the 6.0. We have lots of things to do to it, lots of new upgrades, lots of stuff, so that'll be up a couple days. See you there.